Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun beauty video for you. I'm going to be sharing my top 5 red lipsticks, and I did a poll on Instagram. You guys wanted to see my favorite red lipsticks, so I'm going to be sharing them all with you today. So let's get into the video. So the first lipstick I'm trying out is Diva by Nyx Cosmetics, and this is a matte formula. I really like this red because I love the matte formula. I feel like this really complements my complexion. It's not so harsh red, like I didn't even use a liner, but this is a really matte deep red. So the next two colors I'm going to share with you are Nyx Cosmetics. These are my absolute favorite lipstick formulas of life. It's the soft matte lip creams. These guys retail for about $5. I buy them at Ulta, so this is a staple. I always have multiples of these because it's just the go-to red. I usually use Monty Carlo, which is a brighter, more kind of pin-up red, like the summer months or for a daytime red lipstick. And if I want more of that sultry look, I use Copenhagen. I like wearing Copenhagen too in the fall during the day, but it's definitely that more sultry look. So let's start with Monty Carlo. I had a picture I put up on my community tab, and I actually posted it on Instagram as well, and everyone was asking me what lipstick it was. It was this in the color Monty Carlo. Nyx Monte Carlo. It takes about a couple of minutes for it to dry down. Guys, this is a matte formula as well, soft matte lip cream, and I think the way they describe it as soft matte, that really does describe the formula perfectly, because it's not that really stark, harsh matte look. It looks really like creamy and smooth, even though it's a very matte finish. Like it dries down so beautifully. This lipstick also is really good with transfer and lasting throughout the day. Like I really feel really confident wearing this lipstick. I definitely recommend this formula. If you guys haven't tried these, definitely give them a try. I have lipsticks here from all price ranges, and this is the most affordable lipstick, and to me it's the #1 formula that I'm going to share with you. So that's why I have 2 lipsticks from the same collection. As I mentioned, Monty Carlo is more of a daytime red lipstick for me, and it's more of a summer lipstick. So I wear this in the summer during the day. It's definitely more of that pop pin-up red, and it looks so good on my skin tone. I feel like it really complements my skin. I think one thing also to note when doing red lipsticks, you need to pay attention to the undertone in the formulas and the lipsticks, because you want your lipstick to kind of make your teeth like appear whiter, and all of these lipsticks give me that effect. So I feel very confident smiling because I feel like the lipstick complements my complexion as well as the shade of my teeth, and it actually makes my teeth look whiter. So that's something to be mindful of, because certain lipsticks will make your teeth appear more yellow depending on the undertone. So you have to be mindful when you're picking lipsticks for your skin tone, and also when you try them on, it will contrast with your teeth. So from my understanding, I believe lipsticks with more cool, like blue tones in the base actually make your teeth appear whiter. But this is the lipstick that you guys all love that I took the photo in. This is one of my top favorite lipsticks of all time, Nyx Monte Carlo. It's really that pin-up bright red lipstick and I love it. So the next lipstick I'm going to try is Copenhagen, which is the same formula as Monte Carlo by Nyx Cosmetics. So this one again gives me that sultry look. It's obviously a deeper shade than Monte Carlo.
We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious.
I love Copenhagen. It's again perfect for me for fall winter. It's actually, like I said, gives me more of a sultry look. It's a little deeper than the Monte Carlo, so I wear this in evenings, but really complements my skin tone. This actually has like such a beautiful vanilla scent as well. This is the one. Like, if you guys don't have these red lipsticks, I think these red lipsticks would complement any skin tone. So if you don't have these red lipsticks, just go buy both of them now, because you will thank me. They are gorgeous. Guys, I will also make sure to put all the links below, all the names of the lipsticks in detail with prices and all down below. So definitely check out the description box. So the next one is Kvd Beauty, I think is the name now. And this is literally one of my favorites.
Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. You're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
This is Kvd Beauty in the shade Vampira, which is definitely a deep burgundy tone. Also love the matte formula. It dries down super matte, super fast, and it's very long lasting. This is definitely a lipstick that will last all day for me, and I truly love the formula and application. Super smooth going on, and again, it dries down to be super matte. Okay guys, so the last lipstick is a gem for sure. This is Armani Beauties. Yeah, I'll put the full name down below because it is quite a long name. But this is a liquid lipstick that has a glossy finish. But the thing about this is the formula for sure, because it's super long lasting, super glossy, but it's not sticky. And it's weird that you have a super glossy finish that literally works like a stain, and it just doesn't ever fade. Even while you're eating and drinking throughout the day, it stays intact, but it's super glossy. So this formula is amazing. I get a lot of questions when I wear this as well. So let's just try it on. Glossy lip. Like I said, the cool thing about this, it's very long lasting and it stays. I love the color. It's definitely more of like a traditional, to me, like brownish red, but it's very easy to wear. I literally wear this all year round. It's an easy daytime lipstick because it's super glossy. A little more subtle than the other ones, but it's just really glossy. So this is really all about the finish with this lipstick. All right guys, that's it for today's video. Those are my top 5 red lipsticks. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.